welcome back to my home cooking. For today's video, we will make pork lumpia. So, ang gagamitin natin is pork. So, ito yung aking ingredients. I have 1 pound of meat. This is pork. Pork burger. Ayan. Giniling na siya, guys. Ayan. Okay. And I have 3 cups of grated carrots. 1 and 1/2 cup bell pepper. Grated siya. 1 cup celery. 1 cup. This is cilantro. 1 cup of green onion, a white onion, and 4 cubes of garlic, and then onion string, 1/2 cup. Lalagyan natin siya ng, what is this? Black pepper. And I have my lumpia wrapper. Here's my lumpia wrapper. And yung ating pagpasarap. So, ang gagawin na natin dito, guys, is halo-haluin lang lahat ng mga ingredients. Ihalo natin yung ating carrots. 3 cups carrots. This is good. So we will start now for wrapping this. Dali na siyang gawin, guys. So you can see what I am doing. Ready for wrapping. So, kailangan natin kakamayin kasi mas madali pag kakamayin kasi mag-gloves ka pa dyan. Ayan. That. As simple as that. Very easy, guys. Sundan nyo lang ako mula umpisa hanggang dulo. Ayan. Dalit lang siyang gawin. Yun na lang yung pag-chop ng mga ingredients. That's why I make it prefer to grate it. Ayan, ginigrated ko lang siya. So it's good. Perfect, guys. Shout out, guys. Shot. Ayan. So you can make also even chicken, beef, also like this. I have already my videos about chicken, beef, and this one, pork. So my YouTube channel also I have on this. On my Facebook I have too. Oh yeah. So this is my online live making for this. Ganun lang kasimple, guys. Madali lang siyang gawin. Oh. Alright. Yeah. So I have 27 another of my lumpia making today.
A bunch of that.
Wow. This is yummy. Alright.
Bunch of that needs to go down to jugs too.
Yeah. So I just cooked already earlier. Here it comes. Oh, see? Delicious. Ito na to siya, guys. Ayan. But this is a venison. And this is a pork. Alright. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe and post the button all below para magiging updated kayo sa akin next video.